Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
People ask us all the time, why don't we celebrate Indian artists? And the answer is simple, because there aren't any. But there are a few left. We found them, and May will interview them on Made in India. That's right. If you have talent, if you're musical, if you're special, May will find you. And then to get rid of her is a problem. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, and fathers. All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
You see, when I was very young, I had a problem with my stomach and I thought I was pregnant. I went to Dr. Harish Shetty and I'll never forget what he said to me. He said, son, you are not pregnant, you are stupid. But he's going to help me and you simply by telling you the path to purity of mind is through your stomach and organic food. Let's meet Dr. Harish Shetty.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Okay, here on Cyrus Says, another problem I'm having is the Nakabandis in Mumbai. They're just going out of control and I want to appeal to the police that what are we doing? All we are doing is harassing people like me. They stop me only all the time and ask me questions. And I don't like carrying a wallet or a license, so it's just interrupting my daily schedule. So please don't do this. I don't see the idea of all this tokenism. Never catch people with nakabandis. They can be seen by terrorists from hundreds of feet away. Let's find some other way to catch these guys and leave me alone. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus Says.
All right, let's meet Dr. Harish Shetty, founder of Ayurveda. We'll come to that in a minute. But first, sir, welcome to the show. You are one of the few doctors to come on the show, but we've asked them to come just to examine me to begin with. But it's so nice to have you. And honestly, we're going to talk more about your second avatar than your first avatar. But we have to start at the beginning. Yeah. So you're a doctor, and you were a doctor first, and you were a practicing doctor.
Yeah, I'm basically a naturopath.
Okay, and, please explain because my people who listen to this show, you know, they've just no idea about modern medicine.
Yeah, basically today, what Ayurveda believes that, you know, life is imbalance and to get back to balance. There's nothing called cure.
Oh my God. Because I've got this is off the record, I've got this terrible rash in a private area. Last 6 months. My wife has got me all kinds of red pills.
That's because you don't sleep well.
No, I don't sleep well is another thing. Yeah. That's because of construction.
We've got something in common. I think Mr. Ramakrishna used to come for a massage to your place for a back problem that I was told.
My dad, I think.
Yeah.
I had a back injury during a show called Jhalak Dikla Ja, which is that dance show. So that is the only time I had a proper back injury. I can't remember 2007. Yeah. But my father has a chronic back problem. So, and we've tried everything. That Parsi gentleman who kicks you in the back, which I find to be very interesting. That's the job I want. Just come here, beta. I'll kick it and it'll be better. Worst case scenario, it won't be better, but I get my kick.
See, basically, Ayurveda believes that, you know, body heals by itself. There's nothing from outside that we need. Only thing, we are imbalanced. And from imbalance to balance. And not cure. Cure is automatic.
Okay. So don't think about cure, get the balance right.
Balance right. Okay. You know, like if your bone breaks, what does a doctor do? Is that they fix it. They fix up the bone, you know, to the certain
Sometimes
place.
They fix up the wrong bone.
No, that's okay. That's your bad luck. your karmic accounts. So they're not to be blamed.
Right. So mischievous doctor. Come on. Doctors are also human beings. There'll be a doctor like me who will be like,
exactly.
Iske paas bahut paisa hai. Let me take this hand.
So basically when the bone is fixed, okay, later on, you just leave it alone. The cure is automatic.
That's true.
Exactly.
My son had a fracture and after 6 weeks, it healed on its own.
It's all healed on its own. So everything is like that. It's imbalance to balance.
So why do we go to doctors and get these medicines and what I mentioned?
See, for emergency, it is required. Not on the long term. Long term, body has to heal by itself.
So short-term solution is medicine. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
And long-term it is on its own.
Long-term on its own. It's like that, no? Like if you've got a fever, you take 3-4 days of pills. It's over, but you don't take it permanently. Nothing should be permanent.
Correct, except marriage. What do we do about marriage? Any cure for that, sir?
No cure.
What balance can I? Can I have one more woman on the side for balance? No, sir. I have to do something. I can't go on like this. But it's very interesting to understand this because sometimes I feel a lot of people become so dependent in the modern world on medicine. I have a friend whose name I won't take, Kunal. He carries a bag now of medicines, and we are going to London, all of us together. And that day he was discussing about how this much much space in the bag is in the pills and all that. But he won't. There's for everything, from digestion to headache to skin problem to sunlight. Everything is there. Yeah. And I feel that a lot of human beings in India and in the world have become so dependent.
Yeah, basically, medicine is not the way of life. Goal of life is living without medicine. Goal of life, living without pain. Goal of life, living independently till your last breath. So these are the goals. But what today people don't understand is that you are going away from the nature. Everything is, opposite the nature. That is why illness. What you have to do, just turn your back towards nature and everything is perfect. Today, we don't eat right, we don't breathe right, we don't think right, we don't sleep right, and we don't clean right. So when these things happen, everything is in a haywire. And the indicators, that is your blood pressure, your diabetes, your thyroid, these are all indicators. If your car is showing heated up, what you'll do? You'll check the engine or you'll turn the indicator and...
I'll call Sarosh bhai, who's my mechanic.
And you'll tell him that...
I'll tell him, Sarosh bhai,
check the engine.
Gaadi ma kharab koi thaiyo problem, ave su karwanu, and he'll immediately tell me, what did you have for breakfast?
Yeah, exactly. So that is the problem.
He actually says that.
Yeah, so that is the problem. So when you don't check the indicator, you don't have a solution. That's why for years together, diabetes is never solved. For years together, blood pressure is never solved.
But can they be solved?
Ashok?
When I say can they be solved in the sense that people control it, but they don't...
Not control. Why control?
They take these medicines for diabetes to be under control,
it's only
right?
Control. See, it's like, if you have got a fire alarm in your house, and if the fire alarm rings, what you'll do? You'll find out where the fire is, or you'll find out... This is a case of a person whose diabetic level was...
Very high.
How much is this?
375?
Yeah, and...
I can't read.
545.
545.
Yeah. So
what is normal?
Normal is
70 to 110.
Yeah.
My God, so he was alive.
He was alive. After 1 month of a proper diet.
How much is it? 70 to 110. 109.2. Exactly in the medium range.
Yes.
What do you mean by right diet?
Right diet is living food. See, we today, Cyrus, we know fuel of everything. How will a particular thing run? The first thing we understand is fuel. Okay. In that power, we have gone to the moon also.
Right.
But in that
and no
process,
food on the moon.
And no food on the moon. Okay. But in the process, we have lost our own power of understanding. Okay, what should we eat? Today, food has become protein, carbohydrates, this,
vegetable, vitamin,
minerals. Okay, but 50 years or 75 years back also people lived without this knowledge and very peacefully. So everything that nature produces is perfect for human
What
beings.
about animals? Animals get injured and there's no doctor, for example, in the
that's
wild.
What 84 lakh species live without the knowledge of anything called medicine or doctors or anything. And they live a peaceful life, their complete life.
Yeah.
Only we, one species, we want all the knowledge. And with those knowledge, you analyze, and finally you're paralyzed today.
My God.
Yeah, everybody is paralyzed today. Everybody is so much into knowing everything, awareness.
A lot of fear comes with it.
A lot of fear. Because when analyze is there, you want to know more, and in that you want to change, and change is not happening.
You're talking about nature. I'm arguing with people all the time who, when the rain comes, they run away. Like the rain is going to destroy them. How can the rain hurt you? I don't understand.
Nothing.
Oh, cold, cough, pneumonia, mar jayega. Nothing.
Yeah. What is
exactly what you said. For thousands of years we've had rain and nothing happens. So why should something happen now?
Today people forget about rain. People are scared about one mosquito. If God is so weak that He will do such an engineering with one mosquito bite. Correct. And you will fall ill.
Yeah. And at least catch the mosquito, turn it over and check male or female. As you know, in our species, the female is more dangerous. Both mosquitoes and humans.
I said. Yeah. So basically, all illness is to support you, not to destroy you.
But I interrupted you. You were talking about fuel. And you said, what is the word you used? Natural fuel.
Yeah. See, basically, आज अगर आपका गाड़ी पेट्रोल का है, आप उसमें डीजल डालोगे?
Well, it's happened. It's happened once. It took 4 days. 4 days to clean the car. It cost $3,000.
Same thing. We have got a fuel. And we don't know what it is. Today, whatever we are eating is for this 2-inch tongue.
is for the 2-inch tongue.
Yes.
What does that mean, sir?
I mean, just for the taste.
Achha, just for the top level,
Yeah,
not for the digestion.
and the stomach is your garbage box.
Huh.
So
उसके नीचे भी एक और चीज है, sir, which we should not discuss.
नहीं, उसके नीचे भी एक चीज है, लेकिन वहां से क्लीनिंग होता है, और वो क्लीनिंग नहीं होता उसके बाद, because body cannot throw out whatever you're eating.
So what you mean is that it doesn't go?
Yeah, it doesn't go.
Then where does it go?
It remains. It remains in your body.
Is that why some people are fat?
No, it's not fat. It's basically garbage. It's basically toxins which your body gets accumulated. See, I'm treating cancer patient where I ask them, are you constipated? 99% have said yes.
On a daily basis?
On a daily basis. And then motion clean नहीं होता है, and ठूसने का बंद नहीं होता है.
Oh my God!
Just imagine.
Doctor, this is the most hideous program. I'm so scared now. How can we play this? So what happens to that person? I mean, how do they live like that?
So that's what,
So they live like that for a long time?
Long time, and then what happens is your body becomes toxic.
Oh God,
and then cancer.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
So what is the solution again? We have to eat correctly.
Eat right, sleep right, think right. Even
sleep right though, that's a different...
You must have heard the saying, you eat what you are.
And you are what you eat.
What you eat. So basically that goes perfect with Jaisa. In I don't know whether you know about, in Bhagavad Gita they've written, Jaisa Ann Vaisa Man. Jaisa Ann or Man Vaisa Tan. Which is...
That is, all religions' philosophy is a little similar on that one.
Yeah, it's on those lines.
To have an equality of all the
But we don't
levels.
know what we should be eating.
But what should we be eating?
We should be eating that nature produces.
But can it be Chinese?
It can be Chinese.
Because I love Chinese.
Yeah, it can be Chinese. It can basically what initially when I learned this art of naturopathy, I saw people being very rigid. Like health means very simple, very basic, and there should be not too much of spice or too much of variation. No,
you're like a hermit.
Yeah, like a hermit.
Only herbal food.
Yeah,
and
very bland, very bland. Yeah,
khana.
And I changed that. I said life should be celebration, then only health can...
And what kind of Indian can live without masala?
Exactly. So we created a different kind of food and we created taste in our food. Today you will have a dahi vada without milk. Okay, you will have kheer without milk. So basically, milk is what we avoid. Ayurveda doesn't allow milk.
But as a child, you consume the mother's milk?
That's the only milk that is required. But we, after that, anywhere in the world we go, whichever animal comes in our control, we will hold it and remove the milk and drink it. We don't need milk.
I have a very important question.
Yes.
If after having my mother's milk, can I have somebody else's mother's milk?
No, you don't need it. You don't need it. Somebody, but no mother, is ready to share, even if the child is not living, is ready to share a milk.
Is it?
Yeah. But we want to catch every animal and take the milk. The milk is for the calf.
We force their milk. Their milk for our species.
Our species. Which is wrong.
So, sir, we need to take a break and then we'll come back and discuss in detail the food. But just as we take the break, I want to ask one last question on the other thing you said. So there's right living, there's the right thinking, there's right eating, all come to the same thing in a way. Right sleeping, and there's right cleaning. What is right cleaning?
Basically, the body doesn't clean, but whatever you're eating,
the process of
digestion doesn't happen.
Thank God, because I'm very dirty otherwise, in terms of keeping the house clean.
Yeah, so just
वो तो नहीं है,
that's the last thing है.
What is that?
घर साफ रखने पहला अपने अंदर का
वो नौकरी की बात है सर.
अपना शरीर
That's different.
अपना शरीर और अपना मन बुद्धि को साफ रखेगा तो सब कुछ साफ हो जाता है.
Correct. Because in the way we live, that's the space is only there for our body. As we're talking about Mumbai. We'll take a break. We'll come back with Dr. Harish Shetty. We're joking a lot, but it's a very serious topic where he thinks the simple philosophy of right living can make you actually live right.
Absolutely.
When we come back.
Absolutely.
Hello there, my name is Naveen Narona, and as a gay person in India, I get asked a lot of stupid questions.
Beta, is it LGBT or eligibility?
How do two men procreate?
Bro, is Grindr better than Tinder or what?
We answer all these questions and much more on my podcast, Keeping It Queer, where I talk to individuals from the LGBT community in India and learn about their personal stories. Catch all the episodes on the IVM podcast app or any other podcasting app you like. Till then, keep it queer.
All right, back here with Dr. Harish Shetty. We are learning interesting things here because as we went into break, my producer had a nervous breakdown saying AC both thand hai and it's 18 and put it up and make it hotter. And your response was?
Yeah. See, basically fever, you go to a cold place where it's -0, but your body's temperature will be 97.5.
Correct.
You go to a hot place where a desert where the temperature is 60 degree, but your body's temperature is 97. So why temperature varies? Is whenever there is toxins in your body, there's a germ attack. And when germ attacks are there is a technique that the nature has kept. Whenever there's a germ attack, the temperature of the body will rise and kill those germs and settle down.
Oh.
And what we do.
So it's a natural reaction.
It's a natural reaction.
So when they feel hot, it's normal.
No, not for hot. I'm saying when the temperature rises as fever.
Oh, okay.
See, from 97.5.
Okay, when you get the fever. So fever is a good thing.
Fever is a very good thing. Fever is a very good thing. You can't sit in a hot water and heat up your body.
It's also a radio station.
Yeah.
Let's not forget that. Yeah.
Yeah. So anything that is happening in the body naturally is very good.
Well, why do people feel cold? I fight with people all the time who say we are feeling cold, we are feeling cold.
See, basically your skin is like an air conditioner. You know, that balances the temperature of the body. So whenever you're feeling hot and cold, it's from internally. Okay, the body is balancing.
So there's no such thing as hot and cold?
No. Everything body knows. You go to the winter in a
आपके शब्दों से two industries will close down immediately. Air conditioning cancelled.
सब कुछ चाहिए.
Boilers, geysers cancelled.
परमात्मा ने जो कुछ बनाया है वो सब चाहिए अपने को. लेकिन उसका क्वांटम कितना है that depends on situation to
quantum
situation.
मतलब
amount. You know, दवाई कितनी चाहिए वो हमको. You know, you can't say that permanent कुछ भी होना चाहिए. Okay. हर चीज एक लिमिट तक.
So there's a right dosage for everything.
Right dosage for everything. You know, everything is required. कोई भी चीज जो बना हुआ है, that's for हमारा development के लिए.
Okay.
But one thing is that development and destructions are going simultaneously.
Meaning?
मतलब आज आप लोग बोल रहे हैं ये डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, लेकिन डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे आज स्ट्रेस बढ़ गया. डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे बीमारी बढ़ गया. जनरल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी. आज स्ट्रेस बढ़ गया, आज बीमारी बढ़ गया, आज वैल्यूज कम हो गए. आज बच्चे लोग मेरे पास आते हैं 18-19 ईयर ओल्ड बच्चे लोग हु आर डिप्रेस्ड और डिप्रेशन टैबलेट्स ले रहे. कहाँ था ये सब? नहीं था ये सब. साइलिस भाई, टुडे आज यंगस्टर्स लोग का वैल्यूज नहीं है. यंगस्टर्स लोग का आज डिप्रेशन वैल्यू, स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. व्हाट हम लोग का टाइम पे तो खेल कूदने के टाइम पे आज बच्चे लोग डिप्रेशन टैबलेट्स.
I think this internet and modernity has caused a lot of problems.
What is a development? Then if you need this development, you don't need this development. One of the justice I was talking, I said, sir, डेवलपमेंट नहीं चाहिए लेकिन साफ हवा, साफ खाना और साफ पानी, ये 3 चीज आप दे दो, बाकी कुछ नहीं चाहिए बोल के. टुडे दैट इज नॉट देयर. यू नो, इन दैट आज
उसका क्योर भी नहीं है.
नॉर्मल नहीं, क्योर है हमारे हाथ में.
कहां से आएगा?
नहीं, हमारे हाथ में, लेकिन थोड़ा सा विल चाहिए. आज जैसा एक स्टेट सिक्किम पूरा कंप्लीटली ऑर्गेनिक हो गया, तो व्हाई नॉट अदर स्टेट्स?
रियली?
है One state complete, इंडिया का एक स्टेट completely organic है.
Just explain organic also. Organic
मतलब आप वो चीज नहीं वापरना चाहिए जो hazardous है, जो हेल्थ को खराब करता है, जैसा इंसेक्टिसाइड, पेस्टिसाइड and all those things that has been used. आज नॉर्मल देखिए, एक जमाना था जब थिएटर में जाते थे and we used to hear read तंबाकू मत खाओ कैंसर हो जाएगा.
Correct.
Okay. There was a very strong reason. आज नॉर्मल आदमी जो नॉर्मल खाना खाता है, every 4th person who's coming is cancerous. क्या? Where are we going? आज 30-40 साल पहले कैंसर नहीं था. I did not know anybody in my family.
I'm sure there's much more than before, but what are you saying? We have to have a revolution.
We have to have a revolution. We have to have a revolution. We see, Saris bhai, you and I have, we have come to a certain level of life where things are okay now. But as next generation, I told that to the Chief Justice. I said, for your development will not be used by the next generation because they won't be surviving on this line if they are going. The food is bad, the life is bad, TVs become 24 hours, people don't sleep in the night. Internet
congestion
is there. Everything is, haywire.
2020 cricket?
Exactly.
Everything is
going on. So, how are we going to develop this?
But, sir, let's get back to the food one second.
Because I go back.
Because I need to understand that, because that is the center of all your philosophy. So, if we eat correctly, that will bring us to a position where we can fight cancers and everything. So, now please explain to us in the next few minutes, what is specifically correct khana?
Correct khana is जिस खाने में लाइफ है वो खाना करेक्ट है.
Okay.
Yeah, I like
I'm
to see
scared.
that. I like to.
Animal you're talking about?
No,
Vegetable.
animal when you are eating, they've got life. जिंदा खाओ ना.
Oh my God, no.
नहीं ना. So जिंदा मच्छी खाओ. जिंदा
तो प्याज जिंदा कैसा होता है?
प्याज जिंदा है, उसको वापस बो तो उपजा आ जाता है.
मतलब
हर चीज that is sown,
हाँ.
it comes back, it grows back.
Oh, that way.
That way. So every seed, every fruit.
प्याज को काट सकता है या नहीं?
नहीं, उसको ऐसे नहीं, प्याज को काट के उसको जैसा मांगते वैसा बना के खाओ. पकाने का तरीका भी it should be without oil, without sugar, without milk, without grain.
How do you cook it?
That's a secret. You have to come over and see it.
Let's understand. So I can't put any condiments on it.
All the masalas are allowed. Everything is allowed.
But I can't boil it.
You can't use the nut directly. Instead of coconut oil or sesame seed oil, use the sesame seed directly. So that will release oil. उसका फायदा ये है कि वो oil release करता है और.
But then why don't we do it if it's so easy?
Why don't we do it?
Why do we take the oil from the box when we can take the oil from the?
नहीं, ये तरीका अपने को सीखना पड़ेगा. You'll have to understand.
इसमें cost का problem होगा. Give me what is the reason?
It's not about cost because using the nuts directly, वो process करने से अच्छा उस cost कम है ना.
You are the first person to come on our show and say use your nuts directly. So
use your nuts.
Telling you that.
I'm telling you, use your nuts directly. Make your food tasty. I believe that taste नहीं है. लोग बोलेगा 10 साल कम जिंदगी चाहिए, खाना चाहिए बोल के. So टेस्ट चाहिए. सेलिब्रेशन.
आपने खुद कहा कि टेस्ट है उसमें.
100% टेस्ट है.
दही वड़ा की एग्जांपल आपने लिया. Just explain it to me again. What is the difference between yours and our traditional?
दही वड़ा is made of milk. Okay, we make of peanut milk.
टेस्ट में क्या फर्क होता है?
आप देखो, टेस्ट में कुछ फर्क नहीं आएगा. आपको वही टेस्ट मिलेगा जो आपको नॉर्मल दही वड़ा खाते हैं.
और लुक में भी सेम है.
लुक में भी सेम.
Whitish liquid,
everything same. So basically that is why I started this restaurant called Ayurveda. जिसमें आपको उस टाइप का खाना मिलेगा जो आपको खाने के बाद नो गिल्ट.
राइट. जस्ट और क्या क्या मिलेगा वहां पे आयुर्वेदा पे?
आयुर्वेदा में आपको एक प्रॉपर थाली मिलेगा.
Which is same as
Gujarati thali. Okay, a proper thali.
But the preparation.
Okay, it will be without milk, without sugar, without oil, but you will get everything.
Without ghee?
If milk is not allowed, how will ghee come?
Baba, without ghee, sir. What kind of life?
अरे आके खाओ ना यार. खाने के बाद पता चलेगा ना साइरस भाई क्या. So without ghee.
So what do the customers say? Let's just look at taste and we'll come back to the philosophy.
See, basically the customers say that अरे ये कैसा बोल के? How is it possible? So then we tell them, okay, cook it in this way. And there's Baba Ganoush, there is
all the available
vegetables, Thai
spices,
Thai platter. There's pizza. We've created pizza without cheese, but made of cashew cheese. So
cashew cheese,
cashew को पीस के हम लोग चीज बनाया है, नट को. So no solidify करके उसको मिल्क नहीं यूज करता है. No milk cheese. So basically basically क्या होता है Cyrus bhai is that your food is getting digested throughout the day. Like 1 cup of milk takes 12 hours to digest.
Is that so?
Yeah.
12 hours?
12 hours because there's no fiber. आज दूध, मेरे को I hold sessions for people right from cough to cancer. So in the last session people asked me, अरे कृष्ण के टाइम से दूध चला आ रहा है, आप मना कर रहे हो. कृष्णा एंड घी. So मैं बोला कृष्ण के टाइम पे गाय घास चरता था. कृष्ण के टाइम पे गाय को स्टेरॉइड्स नहीं दिया जाता था. एक्स्ट्रा मिल्क. एग्जैक्टली. कृष्ण के टाइम पे दूध निकालते थे, फ्रिज नहीं हुआ करता था. कृष्ण के टाइम पे 6 महीने का पैकेजिंग नहीं हुआ करता था. कृष्ण के टाइम पे पेस्टिसाइड इंसेक्टिसाइड नहीं करता.
कृष्णा इज अ गॉड.
सो एग्जैक्टली. सो डोंट कंपेयर कृष्णा's time and today's Kalyug का अंत.
Is it really Kalyug?
It's Kalyug.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
First, the good news, we can live longer if we eat correctly.
Yes.
Bad news, what does it matter? Kalyug.
So change your lifestyle and live life.
Okay, sir, jaldi, what else can we get on the menu? And I'm just thinking from the restaurant point of view because, and also why 6 to 8?
Because after 8, Ayurveda doesn't allow to eat. Digestion.
तो
basically आज हमारा शरीर जो है उसके लिए एक घड़ी बना है. हर 8 घंटा एक घड़ी चलता है.
Okay.
रात को 8 बजे से सुबह 4 बजे तक रिपेयर एंड बिल्डिंग होता है. Okay. आज हड्डी टूटते है, जो भी अंदर बहुत सारा रिपेयर होता है वो रात को 8 बजे से, इसलिए अंधेरा बना है. और 8 बजे से 4 बजे तक नेचर इज वेरी नेगेटिव बिकॉज ट्रीज स्टार्ट टेकिंग इन ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
वॉचमैन को क्या होगा?
किसी को कुछ इसलिए तो बीमार है ना. आप पकड़ो एक 10 वॉचमैन को और पूछो उनका हेल्थ कैसा है 6 महीने के बाद, दे विल फॉल सिक. सो बेसिकली 8 बजे से 4 बजे तक बॉडी रेस्ट. तो रेस्ट कैसा होना चाहिए? अपना मन और बुद्धि और शरीर तीनों सोना चाहिए. Today digestion happening matlab your whole body is awake. That's why next morning when you get up you're fatigued. Because digestion means your liver, kidney, spleen, everything is working. Okay, so energy is not there when you get up in the morning.
Correct.
So there should be no digestion. That's why we don't allow food after 8. But Ahar Veda food only, which digests in 2.5 hours. Rest of the food, you add oil, you add non-veg, you add grains, you have milk. It will take a longer time to digest. So when you're sleeping, if digestion is happening, it's like, I buy a car and the company says 10 years of life. And you drive the whole day and you park it in the garage. And you don't switch off the engine. Next day you get up, you drive the same way, you park the same way, and you continue the same way. Do you think the car will run for 10 years?
It will not run for 3 weeks.
Exactly. That same thing happens is that when you are eating late in the night and you're sleeping, you're just parking the car, you're not switching off.
So
every day if you're doing that, I don't know about other books, but I've read in Bhagavad Gita that body is of 150 years. But at 50 only today people become like 150 because what
heart attacks are younger.
Exactly.
10 years younger.
10 years younger. So this is because of all the stress and the way of life that you live. So you have to just change.
सुबह 4 बजे के बाद आप खाना खा सकते हैं.
4 बजे से 12 बजे तक आपका बॉडी क्लीन करता है.
That's the best phase.
That's why I don't know about whether you know about it, but 4 o'clock is Brahma Muhurta. Get up and clean.
Okay.
In every religion they say that pray, get up and clean
early
and
morning
pray early morning.
And all that.
So that's because body stops repair and building and body starts cleaning.
Okay.
So when body starts cleaning, you should not be eating cooked food. Your cooked food should start from 12 o'clock. So that is the time you should eat a lot of fruits. So which is living food.
From 12 to 8?
From 4 to 12.
From 4 to 12 is fruits.
Morning.
And 12 onwards is
12 onwards cooked food till 8 o'clock. So this is.
So sir, 2-3 और चीज दे दो इसमें. What else can I get to eat when I come to the restaurant?
First of all, there's a thali which full thali, which
आपने replicate किया, जो भी आपने replicate किया, but organically.
Okay. And उसके बाद आपको पिज़्ज़ा भी मिलेगा, आपको चाइनीज प्लेटर मिलेगा, आपको थाई प्लेटर मिलेगा, आपको क्या बोलते हैं
डिजर्ट में कुछ मिलेगा?
डिजर्ट भी है, खीर है, गाजर हलवा है, चॉकलेट मूस है, चॉकलेट
sugar allowed नहीं,
black jaggery.
But black jaggery effect, do I get that taste?
Oh, you get the taste. You come over and eat it for yourself and you'll come to know what I'm talking about.
When is the discount applicable, sir? Living or dead, Indians are Indians.
See, getting a good health itself is a discount. Okay, if you have got a good health and you're out of medicine, you're saving your money.
Do people feel better immediately? आपका खाना खाने के बाद अगर
it doesn't take a long time. Body takes, जैसा body जो है ना, ये engineering उस परमात्मा ने एकदम perfect बनाया है. It doesn't take a long time. लेकिन just because जैसा स्कूल में जाओ and you don't follow the rules of the school, you fail in life.
Right.
Same way, you don't follow the rules of life, you fail.
But 99% are not eating correctly.
No, but वही तो हो रहा है ना. आज क्यों बर्बादी की तरफ हम जा रहे हैं? It's because
not just India, सारे
everywhere in the world.
But
दुनिया बाकी जगह पे क्या है? Pollution इतना नहीं है. आज इंडिया में जितना pollution है, दुनिया बाकी की जगह पे नहीं है उतना. So at least जैसे देखो आप एक अच्छा साफ सुथरे की जगह पे जाओ, your digestion is so nice and you feel hungry again and
again.
Is
it so?
Yeah. So हमको 2 चीज बनाना है. एक चीज हमारा हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करना है और एक नेचर को इम्प्रूव करना है.
And how do we improve nature?
Leave it alone.
That's true. First,
leave it alone. Don't do anything.
Don't kill animals and don't cut trees.
Exactly.
Tell them not to cut trees. They're cutting trees all the time.
That human beings have become so insane. एक साइड पे झाड़ काट रहे, एक साइड पे इंसान काट रहे, एक साइड पे एनिमल बर्ड्स काट रहे और एक साइड पे रोबोटिक इंजीनियरिंग बना रहे. अरे एक बच्चा है मेरे पास, बोलते हैं एक रोबोट रहेगा, कितना मजा आएगा गाड़ी चलाने के लिए. मैं बोला बेटा वो पूछेगा नहीं प्यास लगा है, भूख लगा है, एक ड्राइवर को रखो, वो पूछेगा, तुम्हारा बाकी इमोशंस के साथ अटैच रहेगा. सो we have become so
technologically advanced. We are losing our humanity.
Basically, क्या है जो चीज जिंदा, see, nature produces only alive thing and man produces only dead things. ओके हाँ, तो जो डेड थिंग्स प्रोड्यूस करता, आज जैसा
मशीन वगैरह,
कोई मुर्दे को अगर रखना है तो उसके अंदर केमिकल भर भर के रखते हैं उसको,
करेक्ट,
राइट. तो हमको जो जिंदा चीज है उसको केमिकल नहीं चलता है, उसको लिविंग चीज चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
ओके, केमिकल्स ओनली फॉर द डेड. जैसे आपका मोबाइल फोन, आपका टीवी, आपका प्लेन, आपका हेलीकॉप्टर, एवरीथिंग इज केमिकल.
पुराने सोच, we can put chemicals on our old thoughts, which are wasted.
Yes.
So what you're saying is that we have to go back to nature and we have to eat correctly. That's the fundamental for the body to work properly. और आपने भी बताया कि अगर हम ऐसा किया तो 150 तक हम जी सकते हैं. Is that true?
That's written in Bhagavad Gita. So people, but you should be ready. You abuse so much. You abuse not only your body but the whole society, and the nature. And you want 150 years? Not possible. So
plus you have to live that life from beginning.
Yeah. So take care of your body. Take care of nature. Yes, you don't have.
What about daru? Allowed? Not allowed?
Daru allowed, but provided you eat first and then drink 1 or 2 pegs.
Because
usually in abroad, if you go, you see people first having their dinner and then going for a drink. That's the right way of drinking.
But so in our culture, we have soma, for example, right? Which I think is a form of wine only, if you technically, whatever.
Yeah.
So is that from nature? Because wine is from nature.
Yeah, wine is from nature. So you can have it, grapes. So, but people who are ill, people who want a good health, they should avoid it.
So obviously in Ayurveda I'll not get it. So I'll first eat and then I'll nip around to aunties at the corner
and go for a drink.
Sir, आप लोग के पास account है वहाँ पे? Because I don't know anybody in that area.
Arey, you don't worry.
Under control?
Under control.
Okay, we're joking around with Dr. Harish Shetty, but the truth is it's a serious subject and it's all about just being true to organic food to understand yourself better and hopefully become a more pure person.
Perfect.
Am I right?
Your thought process.
Does it help आपका सोच विचार?
Yes, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन.
Do you get more calm? I feel that today the biggest problem is going calm.
See, one thing about flesh, about non-vegetarian food, when the animal is being caught,
okay, don't say anything bad.
And all the negative things, that frustration, that anger, that fear, that has been transferred in the flesh in your body.
All right.
Okay,
I'm going to your restaurant.
Yeah, so you have to come to Ayurveda.
Done, sir. Very good. Just last question as we end, Dr. Harish Shetty. Where exactly can we find Ayurveda and why are there many branches?
This is the first branch. See, basically I'm a hotelier. I'm running a restaurant called Radhakrishna from last 45 years.
Sir, let me put it together. Shetty to surname hai. And?
So, this is the first joint of Ayurveda, just to help people, because most of them say that we are not able to cook the food the kind that you're telling. So, just to support
you also
them,
understand what the food is.
So, we have created that. This is at Andheri West, opposite Shoppers Stop. There's a restaurant called Radhakrishna. Behind that, Ayurveda restaurant is. So all of you all.
And you get a Shoppers Stop discount when you eat there. बोल दो.
जबरदस्ती क्यों कर रहे हो satisfy?
But won't you have more restaurants?
So the plan is that we want to develop this, and this food should be available in all over Mumbai, wherever possible. People should not find it difficult. Today, wherever we go, health के नाम पे कुछ भी बिक रहा है. So I want Ayurveda to be available in all the possible places.
I think that's the main thing, bro. Until they see it, and like
first
people like me are worried about that. Will we be able to eat it? You're saying pizza है मगर cashew से बनाया, cheese से नहीं.
100% Cyrus.
So we need to taste it.
Exactly. So I want you to come over so that next time when you are talking out here, you'll speak about Ayurveda
as a brand ambassador.
As a brand ambassador.
Correct.
Because you're the right person. you
want me to eat less.
Yeah, no, you eat more. See, Ayurveda doesn't believe in calorie counting. Ayurveda doesn't believe in quantity. See, whatever is natural, body will not keep. Whatever is unnatural, body cannot throw. It will store. So you don't have to worry about calories. You don't have to worry about quantity. Eat your stomach full. जैसे अगर जेब में पैसा है, पेट्रोल पंप जाते हैं तो ये नहीं बोलते कि अरे यार 2 घंटे का भरो, बाकी 2 घंटा बाद भर के लेके जाते हैं ना, ऐसा. So life is like that. पेट भर के खाओ जब खाना है, लेकिन eat right at the right time and enjoy life.
And the great news is you're allowed wine. You're allowed wine, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. It's not so bad at all.
No, you are allowed. You're allowed.
Super.
लेकिन at the same
Moderation.
time, take
Moderation.
care of your health.
Balance, you said in the beginning.
Balance.
Dr. Harish Shetty's words are all about balance. I think we begin and we will end with this.
Yes, balance. Okay.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so
for being
much,
on the show.
Cyrus. Come, thank you. Good luck to all of you.
Thank you.
What's the best new restaurant in town?
Which bar sucked?
What's the worst new Hindi film?
What's the most obscure thing to do on the weekend?
And what's the most interesting new walking tour?
If you want to know how to make the most of Bombay, listen to the Podcast by thedailypow.com. We are Pronuti,
Amit,
And Purva.
We're your guide to what to do, see, and eat in the city. You can find new episodes of the Podcast every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you prefer, and on thedailypow.com.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
All right, that was Harish Shetty. And organic food, always something that I look forward to not experiencing for some reason. But maybe one day I'll change, you know. You must keep your mind open. Amit, we're joined by some strange man who's not shaved. Now, I want to ask you, I know this is an audio show and all that, but shouldn't they have some respect for the basic human form?
In terms of like facial hair?
If you look at the Neil guy, I mean, he always turns out nicely. For the female Neil guy. But I find that some of the guys who work with you in your podcast, I mean, they don't care because it's audio. They just turn up like, I mean, they make me look good.
Yeah, well, hey,
what's his problem?
Faces for radio, man.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that your attitude? No makeup on radio?
Well, I've got pretty much nothing left on my head, as you can see.
Okay.
I need to. So I
thought with India's loss to Sri Lanka, you pulled out your organs. This happens. People want to experience
I was
pain.
listening to one of your podcasts, and one word,
Yes.
I like that word, balance.
Or
now
balance.
You talk about
if you're Vidya's family,
or if you're Gary Balance.
There you go.
In cricket.
Bat.
So the balance
Poor man.
between your hair on your face and your hair on your head. So that's the whole logic behind.
So which is the bowler? Okay, where the balls are, obviously. Why even ask that?
Yes.
Vivek, please introduce yourself and tell us about your show, which I haven't experienced.
Our show.
Yeah.
We help people make money. It's as simple as that.
Is that really it?
That's all.
It's called TGF, right?
It's TFG. That's
come on,
the Fan Garage.
One G here, one F there. How does it matter? The
Nothing
Fan
matters.
Garage. The Fan Garage.
What's in a name, after all, right?
I'm sorry to interrupt, but let's get to our questions.
Okay, we
because
get to our questions.
Yeah.
I think Vivek is going through some sort of pain. It may be the first parental birth from the male that I've seen in my entire life. And
But
if
we
do
need
have
to
a
talk.
child, we'll
We
discuss
need
it.
to talk about how the game has evolved, not for good.
But you talk slower than my dad. And my dad does it this way. He told me the entire play of Hamlet over 7 years. Okay, 7 years it took him. Well, it's about this prince and this is like Gavaskar but slower.
All right. So, why do you think World History for Kids seldom covers slavery and mass genocide? Because kids shouldn't know about that shit. You don't have to tell them this stuff.
Why is this responsibility coming onto my desk?
No,
I'm a man.
what kind of question is this?
I want to just lay out what I do. I masturbate 4 times a day. I every day count my hair on my head to see how much is less and how far is it going to go. And then when people give this to me like as my responsibility, I'm not responsible for history lesson.
Not just it's a dumbass question. I'm sorry, Parul, but this question is silly. I mean, like, why do you think World History for Kids sell? Because they're kids. You protect kids. You don't necessarily have to tell them.
I didn't protect my kids. I told them we are slaves ourselves to a political system that is controlling our every thought, and there's not much we can do. We cannot even rise up because no one notices us. So I've already told them that life sucks. You have no self-esteem, and you're just as bad or good as a plant. Except plants have sunlight. We don't. So whatever.
Sure, but that's your choice to make, right? Yeah. Not everybody needs to do that.
I think she's saying don't hide stuff from kids because now they have to face the truth about the world.
They need to face the truth about the world, but that's up to a parent to decide how to get them to do that.
And I'm not entirely against slavery for India. I am against slavery across the world. But in India, I met so many people where I think if they're not slaves, I would like to get rid of them. So perhaps it's not a bad thing.
Okay.
Amit, what do you think?
I don't quite know how to react to that.
It's just a list of people who piss you off.
Well, there are a number of people who piss me off, but yeah, okay.
Let me give Vivek an hour.
Yes.
Vivek.
An hour? I just need a minute. It's we the people who are not allowing we the people to grow. It's as simple as that.
Should we expose our kids is what you're saying?
No.
We should.
I mean,
we shouldn't?
We shouldn't, obviously.
Yeah,
we shouldn't expose.
Every kid is different.
So what are we hiding them from? Sooner or later, they're going to see that the world is an ugly place. I hate it when all the schools teach you all things bright and beautiful. There's no bright and beautiful. Let's see the cricket at Lords. Oval, rather.
The next question...
Not at the Oval.
There you go.
Next question we got. Do you think monogamy is overrated?
100%. I've written or I've lectured about this.
Yes.
I've got standing ovations from men and a few beatings from women and men, depending on where they stand. But if you look at all the species in the world, there's just 5 or 6 animals that mate for life. The wolf, my favorite animal, being one of them. The dove, one of the dumbest animals, being the other. And a few more.
But the lobster, right? I remember that.
Well, you know, the day I compare myself to a lobster is when I completely understand that social activism in my life is over forever. Okay. Because, you know, I mean, that's your Friday night, lobster mating. Okay, because it's going to mate for life. Maybe just the one time they're so bloody slow, Vivek. Not trying to point fingers, but you know. So coming back to this whole thing is all species, they mate seasonally and there's a certain matlabiness to it. And then that's it, right? You mate for the... But just think about the whole idea, more than sexual monogamy, the fact that you wake up 2 people forever. It's like, I mean... I think that's why furniture was invented. So you could look away, you know, sit on another chair and look away. Because how can you be 2 people together forever? I mean, that's not romantic. That's painful. That's hemorrhoids for personified. I mean, that's something we should look into. So every time, if you notice with men, when a young man says, I'm going to get married, most men are disappointed. They feel really bad for him, you know. And because the truth is deep down in our subconscious, we know, oh God, not again. So after 22 years, you run out of conversation. You're looking at each other or not looking at each other. And the best thing you can do is have an affair. And the worst thing is you do nothing and you just slip into nothing. What we call shunyata, and die. And that's a lot of people around. You see them, they're just dying in front of you. They're vegetating and then they're dying. And that's it. So I think mating with one person, overrated. But if my wife cheats on me, as a good Haryanvi boy, I'm going to tag this chappal and I'm going to show her. I'm going to.
At that point, monogamy is not overrated.
But can somebody else speak? Otherwise, I might as well just talk to myself in the bathroom. What do you think, Vivek? Are you married?
About what? No.
Thank God, that poor woman.
Go on.
What do you think of monogamy?
I don't know. I don't have anything to say now. You have said everything, so...
No, what do you think? Do you think it'll work? Just imagine 10, 15 years with the same woman, whatever your preferences are, but the same person.
The world is changing fast. And you never know, man. It's becoming very unpredictable.
Your sports are getting shorter. Cricket, the great test match, 5 days has become about 3 hours.
Not for good.
Not for good is not the point. The point is that the world is changing.
Vindictive world out there.
Okay,
so I don't know.
Whoever marries him is finished.
All right, cool. I think that's all we got for now.
Amit, you didn't say a thing.
About monogamy?
Yeah.
I'm not married. Monogamy does not apply to me.
But what about mating with the same person for the rest of your life?
You got 4 people in the studio.
The chances of that
here in our room.
I don't see that.
Okay, now Vivek's going somewhere else with this. You've got 4 people in the studio.
I mean, you didn't let me finish. I mean, so I think everybody has to answer. So
but the others are not involved in the discussion. One is an electrician, one is somebody's friend, one is Naveen who's working on his stand-up. He only performs at night. He's not able to do anything in the day. He's like a superhero without the cape.
All right.
Right, Naveen?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so, I think monogamy as a concept, I mean, to each his own. Some people are great with monogamy, some people are not.
If we have the time, I'll just quickly spew out something else. If you look at normal upper middle class Indians in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, that kind of place, people we represent,
not Bangalore,
you'll find lots of women and men have conversations wherever they are, at their workplace, in the gym, in the bar, whatever, which is all about trying to meet other people.
Not all pockets of
and
Mumbai.
Sort of socialize more because they're so friggin' bored with the same person. I'm telling you, just study the matter. Let's all meet. WhatsApp group. Let's make a group. Let's meet. Gym group. Let's meet. Meet for what? Because you're bored.
Yep, pretty much.
Now we know you hail from Hanging Gardens.
Man, I don't like social contact. I'm a dog man. Well, you just give me a pack of dogs and I'm happy. And I'll pay for sex. I have no problem with that. I think it's a wonderful institution. With humans, huh?
Yes.
Come on, Vivek, you'll go back troubled.
All right, cool. That's all we got for this week, or this episode.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called me.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out IVM Podcasts to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.